Fitear X100 are Bluetooth TWS in-ear headphones that offer a cord-free listening experience. The set contains earbuds and a charging case, micro USB cable, and spare rubber ear tips in different sizes. They feature Bluetooth 5.0 for fast and stable connectivity and about 4 hours of listening time on a single charge. They also automatically mute music when receiving incoming calls and have an LED status indicator to show battery level and pairing status. You can control music and voice calls via touch panels integrated into each earbud. To charge the earbuds, place them into an included charging case. The LED indicator on the case will show you a charging status. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.